Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the pin code from your Motorola Moto G05. First of all, just a quick mention, if you are on this screen, make sure that you are entering your security pin code and not your SIM card pin code, as these two are simply mistaken for each other oftenly. And yeah, if you are sure that you are entering the correct pin code and your phone still won't accept it, then if you have an alternative way to unlock your device, for example, you have a fingerprint unlock enrolled or a face unlock enrolled, then you can use this alternative method to temporarily access your device and then back up all the data, all the important data you have on your smartphone, like personal photos, videos, and other personal stuff, to either an SD card or to your PC, or for example to the cloud services, which you can use if you go to settings, then scroll down to system, and in system select backup. Now the other way, after that, we're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation, and I'm gonna tell you more about that. But before I tell you about it, let me also tell you the best way we can unlock our device in case you cannot access your smartphone at all. So the best way is reaching out to Motorola customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership to your device, the ownership of your device to them by showing, for example, a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, then they'll be able to help you out without removing any personal data from your device. Now, if you can't, then perform a factory reset operation, either using the recovery method. So if you'd like to know how to use recovery mode on your smartphone, how to access it, how to perform factory reset operation through it, then check out our other video on how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this particular smartphone. We'll explain everything step by step, and it's pretty easy and we'll make it pretty easy for you to follow through. After that, after performing factory reset operation, your device will be erased basically, and you're gonna have to set it up once again, and you'll be able to set up a new password for yourself, and then back up your data from restore the data from the backup if you have prepared a backup for yourself, of course. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is by accessing the Find Hub website using any other device of yours that that has an internet access. So just enter the Find Hub website by Google, then sign into your Google account that is linked to your Motorola. Go to Devices section, and in Devices, select your Motorola and select Factory Reset Device option in Settings. And after that, your device will be reset remotely, and will be able to set it up once again. Now, last thing. So, if you do remember the pin code to your device, but your smartphone simply won't let you in, sometimes it is caused by your device lagging due to third-party application interference or some background process interference, basically. And to outrule this possibility, we have to access the safe mode on our device. However, we cannot do that on a locked phone. So if your phone is locked, we can force boot into the safe mode by holding down power button and the volume up key until the screen of the device goes off. Let me do this once again.
East Coast off likely refers to being off the coast of the eastern United States, meaning in the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah.
In music, it may refer to the...
So, once the screen of the device goes off, we're gonna have to short press the power button to start our device once again. And once you see the Hello Moto logo on your screen, wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and after 3 to 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down key of your device, just like this, and keep holding it until your device is reloaded. And after the restart, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. And if you see it, try entering your PIN code once again. And if your device accepts the PIN code this time, before trying to figure out which application could have caused this kind of issue, let's go back to settings and remove the previous password by selecting Security and Privacy in Settings and selecting Device Unlock option, and go to Screen Lock and re-enter your password once again. And then either select None or Swipe. Tap Delete. And after that, normally restart your smartphone, so should press power button and volume up keys, select restart and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.